When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and functionality, installing double-hung windows is a great option. These windows are a classic choice for many homeowners due to their timeless design, ease of use, and versatility. However, when it comes to choosing the right material for your double-hung windows in Orangeburg, South Carolina, there are several factors to consider. Each material has its unique advantages and drawbacks, and understanding these can help you make the best decision for your home's needs. Here's a comprehensive guide to the different window materials available and how to choose the right one for your double-hung windows in Orangeburg. Vinyl windows. The affordable and low-maintenance option. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular choices for double-hung windows in Orangeburg, and for good reason. These windows are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and are known for their durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance requirements. Advantages of vinyl windows. Energy efficiency. Vinyl is an excellent insulator, which helps to keep your home comfortable year-round by preventing drafts and reducing heat transfer. This can result in lower heating and cooling costs. Low maintenance. Unlike wood windows, vinyl windows don't require regular painting or sealing. They are resistant to rot, peeling, and fading, making them perfect for homeowners looking for an easy-to-care-for option. Affordability. Vinyl windows are typically more affordable than wood or fiberglass windows, making them an excellent choice for homeowners on a budget. Durability. Vinyl windows are resistant to moisture, which is particularly beneficial in Orangeburg's humid climate. They won't warp, crack, or deteriorate over time like wood windows. Disadvantages of vinyl windows. Aesthetic limitations. While vinyl windows come in a variety of colors, they may not have the same aesthetic appeal as wood windows, especially for homeowners looking for a more traditional or high-end look. Less customization. Vinyl windows have limited options for customization compared to wood or fiberglass windows. Wood windows. The classic and aesthetic choice. Wooden windows offer a traditional and elegant look that can complement many different architectural styles, making them an appealing option for homeowners in Orangeburg who value aesthetic beauty. Wood windows are known for their insulation properties and natural appearance. Advantages of wood windows. Timeless appeal. Wood windows provide a classic look that adds warmth and character to your home. They can be painted or stained to match any interior or exterior design. Excellent insulation. Wood is a natural insulator, making it a great option for energy efficiency. Wood windows can help keep your home comfortable and reduce energy costs. Customizable. Wood windows can be customized to meet your specific design preferences. They can be made in various styles, shapes, and sizes, offering greater flexibility in design. Disadvantages of wood windows. High maintenance. Wood windows require regular maintenance to keep them in good condition. This includes sanding, painting, or staining to prevent the wood from rotting or deteriorating due to exposure to moisture. Prone to damage. Wood windows are susceptible to water damage, mold, and pest infestation, especially in humid climates like Orangeburg's. They may need to be resealed periodically to prevent these issues. Fiberglass windows. The durable and energy-efficient option fiberglass windows are becoming an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg due to their strength, energy efficiency, and low maintenance needs. Made from composite materials, fiberglass windows are known for their longevity and durability. Advantages of fiberglass windows. Superior durability. Fiberglass is highly durable and resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. It is less prone to expansion and contraction than wood or vinyl, which ensures that the window maintains its shape and function over time. Energy efficiency. Fiberglass is an excellent insulator, and modern fiberglass windows are often filled with a polyurethane foam core that improves their energy efficiency. This can help reduce your energy bills. Low maintenance. Fiberglass windows require minimal maintenance, similar to vinyl windows. They don't need to be painted or stained and are resistant to moisture, which is a huge benefit in humid areas like Orangeburg. Disadvantages of fiberglass windows. Higher upfront cost. Fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl or wood windows, making them a higher initial investment. Limited style options. While fiberglass windows are available in various styles, they may not offer as many aesthetic options as wood windows. Aluminum windows. The strong and lightweight option. Aluminum windows are known for their strength and lightweight, making them a popular choice for modern homes. They are often used in commercial buildings, but they can also be an excellent choice for residential homes in Orangeburg, particularly for homeowners seeking a sleek, contemporary look. Advantages of aluminum windows. Durability. Aluminum windows are highly durable and resistant to corrosion, which makes them a good choice for homes in areas with high humidity, such as Orangeburg. Sleek appearance. Aluminum windows provide a clean, modern look that can complement contemporary home designs. Low maintenance. Like vinyl and fiberglass, aluminum windows require minimal maintenance and are resistant to the elements. Disadvantages of aluminum windows. Poor insulation. Aluminum is a poor insulator compared to vinyl or fiberglass. Without proper thermal breaks, aluminum windows can allow heat to escape, leading to higher energy bills. Condensation issues. Aluminum windows are more prone to condensation due to their poor insulation properties, which can result in moisture buildup on the windows and promote mold growth. Choosing the right material for your home. When selecting the right material for your double-hung windows in Orangeburg, there are several factors to consider. Climate. Given Orangeburg's humid subtropical climate, it's important to choose a material that can withstand high humidity and occasional rainfall without deteriorating. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum windows are highly resistant to moisture and ideal for this climate. Budget. If you're on a tight budget, vinyl windows offer an affordable solution with excellent energy efficiency and low maintenance needs. Aesthetics. If you're looking for a more traditional, high-end look, wood windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, though they require more maintenance. Energy efficiency. Fiberglass and vinyl windows are both excellent choices for reducing energy bills, thanks to their superior insulation properties. Conclusion. choosing the right material for your double-hung windows in Orangeburg is an important decision that can affect your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and long-term maintenance needs. Vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum each offer unique advantages depending on your specific requirements. By considering factors like climate, budget, and style, you can make an informed decision that will enhance your home's value and functionality for years to come.